Welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa, and today I am planning for Thursday, November the 10th. I am using a sticker kit by SimplySmithStickers. I love her stickers. They're, I think, my favorite, besides when I make my own. These are probably the best stickers I think I've ever purchased. And I am using an Erin Condren Daily Duo, and I have the A5 size. So this was yesterday. I had a couple of meetings. I did actually mark a few things off of my list. I started the laundry, and I did film yesterday. So the only thing that I really didn't do is I have a Walmart return I need to send back. I need to do some organization, and I still need to go to Goodwill because I have a box in the front of my car that I need to take over there. But I did make some progress, which is good. And I also cleaned up my nails. I filed them down because they were getting way too long. So, not a total bust yesterday. I feel a lot better than I did, let's say, the day before when I didn't mark a single thing off of my list. All right, let's do the header. Let's see, what is the header for today? Oh, it's these cute little, they're not dots. They almost kind of look like maybe raindrops. I don't know. Some kind of polka dotty sort of pattern. So I hope you guys are doing really good. I'm off work tomorrow. It's my mom's birthday. Haven't quite decided if I am going to go to her house tonight and stay the night, or if I am going to go Friday morning. But I have a lot going on this weekend, so I can't stay the whole weekend, but definitely can go stay for a day or two. Oh, that's so cute. All right, so my mom's birthday present is taking her to a concert. We're going to go see Zach Williams. He is a contemporary Christian artist that I absolutely love. If you've never heard of him, look him up on YouTube. He has such an amazing voice. I'm really looking forward to seeing him in concert. And I've got my coffee here, and it's kind of hard to see, and I don't want to spill my coffee, but it says, "Today is a blank slate of awesome," which is so true. Can restart your day any time of the day. And it is currently 3:50 in the morning. It's like the cats, they've started to wake me up like earlier and earlier every single day. It could be because the time change. I guess that's probably part of it. So if I seem a little tireder than normal, that's why. I've actually been up for, I guess, since 3:30. So I've been up for a little bit, long enough to like get coffee, feed the fur babies, and all that good stuff. Okay, what are we doing here? So let's put down the box in the bottom right. I don't know. I guess since I've been tracking my work totals up top, I haven't really found a use now for this bottom box. So you'll have to let me know if you guys have a Daily Duo, what you use the bottom box for. I definitely need some inspiration. I feel like I don't use these sticker kits in their entirety because I just don't know what to do with them. But let me know what you use this for down here. Okay, let's do the check boxes. Right here on the side. I'm kind of all over the place this morning. I know I've been trying to do daily videos, and I know a lot of you visit my channel for budgeting content. and tomorrow is payday. So I will be going to the bank tomorrow. Oh no, tomorrow's a holiday. Uh-oh. I wonder if the bank's gonna be open on Saturday. I didn't even think about that. I'll have to check to see if the bank's gonna be open on Saturday, because I'm gonna need cash. I guess I could do all 20s and just stuff a little more than normal in my envelopes. I could always do that. Let's see what's going on today. I have my normal meeting from 3 to 5. And that is my TWC meeting. Oh, this is Thursday. That's right. I'm like, what am I doing with my life? I have a lot of meetings today, actually. Okay, I have TWC at between 3 and 5. Sorry for the background noise. The cats are making all sorts of noise this morning. And then at 6 p.m., I have another meeting. What's this one? Oh, that's a tiny little sticker. I need one for an hour. I need an hour block. Maybe we'll do turquoise. So I have this from 6 to 7. I think that, well, then I have my daily meeting for work. Thursdays are always my crazy busy day. That's crooked, but that's okay. All right, and then I have the meeting at work from 7:30 to 8:30. And like the work meeting in the morning is just like a way for us to to touch base. The managers and I, we get together every morning. We talk about what's on the agenda for the day, any things that have come up the prior day, just kind of anything that needs to be discussed. And then we talk about the training for the new people that have started, which they are doing really well, and they we're not having to meet as often or as long as we were before, which is kind of nice because it gives me some time to get my own work done. It's always exciting when you train somebody and they do really well. I love training. I love teaching and showing people how to do the job that I do. It's always exciting to see people learn something new. So on my to-do list today are my normal 3 tasks at work. And since I'm off tomorrow, I will probably focus on my tickets. I have 100 and some odd tickets. I think I'm down to 107, which is a lot better than it was, because I was up to like, I don't know, 180 at one point. But I'm one of those people that like thrives when things are stressful, and it just kind of gets me motivated to work harder. So dishes, I think, are like the task that's on the agenda every day. I do need to swap the laundry, so I did start it, but I didn't finish it. I have probably 2 more loads to do. I can go to Goodwill right after work today. And then, what else do I need to do? Oh, tomorrow is trash day, so I need to do the trash and then clean the litter boxes. Carol Ann bought all new litter, like 10 packages, so I think I'm just going to trash everything that's in the litter boxes and start all over with fresh litter. And then I don't know that I may be able to get to Walmart. The cart that I got, it is a 10-drawer cart that rolls, and it's for like crafting, and I got it thinking I would put like my nail stuff in there and makeup, but I ended up finding a different way to organize using what I already had. So I need to do to return that cart because I just don't need it, and Carol Ann won't use it. And Walmart, there is a Goodwill, or there's a Walmart near Goodwill, I should say. And organizing still needs to be done. I don't think I'll get it done today. Maybe this weekend. But I go ahead and carry it over because eventually it'll get done. I can mark it off the list. I'm trying to think if there's anything else today that I have. I am a little sleepy. I don't think I have anything else. Not for today, at least. So I'm going to go ahead and end the video here, and then tomorrow I think I'm going to use this blank page as like just a weekend to-do list. I did that last weekend and just had like a long list of things that needed to be done. And so I think I'm going to do this again for this weekend. That way I just have like a really long list and then I can get, mark it off as it gets done. But anyway, that is everything for this video, guys. This was my plan with me for Thursday, November the 10th. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye!